What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brandy and in today's video, I'm doing an Amazon home decor haul. So if you have been watching some of my videos, which by the way, if you like these sort of videos, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on that bell so you know when I post a new video, and leave me a comment for future video ideas, or if you purchase any of these things, if you like them, your thoughts, anything. Leave me a comment. I love reading your guys' comments. You guys are amazing, by the way. We are growing so quickly and I literally adore every single one of you guys. So thank you for leaving me so much love and support. It means the world. So I just want to start by saying that for the past few years, I have totally been elevating my home. And with Amazon, I am actually anywhere that I shop, I'm extremely picky. I'm not a big trend person. I don't like to just buy things for a trend. I really like to be very purposeful with my home, with my money, really be cautious with what I'm buying. But now that I feel like I have kind of gotten a good grip on my home decor and what I love and how I want my home to be going forward, it's making a lot easier to find and purchase things off of Amazon and from Home Goods, things like that. So if you guys know me, I am insanely inspired by restoration hardware, and just even thinking outside of the box when I think of restoration hardware, just the details, the pieces that they have in there, and all of that. So I am just taking my inspiration from restoration hardware and turning it into practical everyday living. And that is what you're gonna see a lot on this channel, is just pieces to elevate your home that are pieces that you can have forever. I have been investing more in pieces and just really curating my home and making it more of my dream home, and things that I like to remember when I'm purchasing things for my home is to have a home that looks like it's developed over time, that having conversation pieces, purposeful pieces, things like that. So that's kind of the things that I go for. Just keep that in mind while I'm going through this. So the first thing that I want to start with is actually this guy back here. It's just the olive twig, and I do not usually go for faux plants. However, right back here is my coffee table ottoman, and every time, so I go clip real olive branches outside and I will put them inside, but they get pretty crusty over time. So when you walk past them and you brush on them, they just like break all over. So I got these olive twig or olive twig branches, whatever you want to call these, off of Amazon. Obviously, we're doing an Amazon haul. And I really just love the look of olive twig. They're used at restoration hardware, and I just think it really elevates your home, and it's a very like Tuscan vibe for me. And I just really love that European twist on my home, like a modern vintage European kind of feel. And I definitely think olive twig gives me very Italian vibes, and I love it. These are really, really good. I did do some steaming over them just to kind of help them relax a little bit. And I am so glad that I bought them. And I'm gonna be getting some more. I actually bought these for my bar shelf. I have a video on that bar shelf, but my coffee table was really lacking some greenery, so I'm just gonna order some more and put them up there. But I'm really impressed. I like these a lot. So whenever I get faux plants, I like to steam out the really bad kinks. Now, if they are, you know, a little bit like shapely, I think that helps make it look natural and make it look real. But in transit, some of them get like kinked like this, where it's just like not pretty. And same like this one right here. It has like a really bad, unnatural looking kink. So basically, I'm gonna show you guys this one. Let me just get a good angle on it. I'm gonna show you guys this one right here. What I do is I just take a steamer, and I do run it along the whole plant just to kind of take out any kinks, you know, anything like that. But the ones that I really don't like, I just take my steamer really close and it just gets it right out. Okay, so like I said, I really love to decorate my house with very specific pieces, and pieces that are really going to start up conversation, that are really going to inspire others, that get people to want to touch it and look at it. I really love when someone walks in my home and they start looking around because there's things to look at instead of it feeling like just an everyday home, if that makes sense. So the next item that I got is this pepper mill, and I know that this is so extra and this is just so unnecessary, but this thing is heavy duty. First of all, I will have this for the rest of my life. But it is absolutely breathtaking. It's made in Greece. Gosh, it's just, I can't even say enough. So my vision is just, you know, during Thanksgiving or any type of holidays, having this out on a table, which I am gonna do another or a few more tablescapes. I know that some of you guys really like those, so I'm gonna do more. But this pepper mill is just absolutely breathtaking. It makes me think of a very elegant home. It just is, it's not like your everyday pepper shaker, you know what I mean? So this is one of my favorite pieces I think I've ever got from Amazon. I freaking love it. It's absolutely breathtaking, and I really love adding brass or gold in my house. I think that it just really gives it that rich kind of look. So I love this. By the way, everything that I'm mentioning in this video will be linked down in the description box below. So make sure you go check it out. And I have a few more pieces. Now, like I said, I don't have a ton because I am definitely trying to be a little bit more purposeful with my home. So I'm not one to just go and splurge and spend a bunch of money on home decor. I definitely take my time with shopping and really think about the things that I want. But once I see it and it's it, I buy it, you better believe it. So my hauls are probably not gonna be gigantic, but that being said, you know that the pieces that I'm sharing, I absolutely love. So the next thing, you guys are going to die. You guys are going to die because I've gone 12 years, living 12 years on my own, 12 years without chip clips. But I found these gold chip clips and they're so beautiful. And I had to have them as soon as I saw them. They're heavy duty too, like that. This is like a strong spring. And once I saw these, I had to have them. They come in a pack of 8 and they are like, I would say like medium size. They're not like super big, but they're perfect. I absolutely adore these and it makes me really excited. If you know me, you know that everything in my house, for the most part, there's like a couple random things that maybe my husband bought, has to be beautiful. It's just, it's who I am. It's been this way my whole life. So I've learned to accept it because, you know, I can't get away from it. So the next couple of items are also kitchen items. I mentioned this little wood muddler in my bar styling video, but I thought I would share it here just in case you guys missed that video. Or someone's stumbling across this video and they're looking for a wooden muddler. So my bar little shelf area, I have a marble little container with golds or brass bar utensils, and I wanted to break it up by adding a wood muddler in there because I really wanted to have those different materials and textures. So when I found this, I had to have it. It is already starting to age, but I actually really like that look. I like for my stuff to look used and worn and just like it's been around for a while. So I love this little muddler. I thought I would mention it again. And then the next thing, so if you watched my last home decor haul, that my restoration dupes look-alike haul, you know that I just recently purchased a new mortar and pestle or molcajete from Crate&Barrel. But before that one, I bought this one off of Amazon, which I still really love, but I do really prefer the Crate&Barrel one, but I thought just in case someone wanted like a low profile mortar and pestle, I would show this one. I got this one, like I said, off of Amazon. Everything is from Amazon, but it does have a lot of texture. It still is really pretty. So I am going to keep this one as well as the other one, because I just thought if I do like a taco bar and I want to do multiple guacs, or maybe one with onion, one without, I know, so extra, I know. But I thought I would just keep this one just in case, because it's so beautiful. Just as beautiful as the other one, but I think I just prefer the Crate&Barrel one a little bit more. I will also link that one, even though it's not from Amazon. I will link it just in case you guys are into the long legs as well. The last couple of items that I have are coffee table books. Now, I am gonna show you guys these ones again. I've shown these a couple of times, but I thought, you know what, I haven't done like an actual home haul, and I got these from Amazon, so I thought that I should show you guys as in this video as well. But this is a Vogue book. It had a cover. I took it off. I take just about every single cover that comes on the books off, because I just really prefer the look of a naked book. And then I have this one, this Alexander McQueen. I love the texture on this one. I just think it adds so much. I freaking love this book. It's absolutely beautiful. This one I don't actually think, that one didn't have a cover. And then this one I just got recently, and I am going to take the cover off. So this book, I thought I needed, as a lot of you guys know, my home has a lot of like antiques and things like that. So I'm trying to get a little bit more of clean lines, a little bit more modern pieces to add into my home. So this book and the aesthetic was perfect for what I was looking for. And I've had this in my car and my eye on this particular book forever. The aesthetics in this book are out of this world. I mean, this book is so me, and I just really do love to like look through books and get inspired. Where am I going? I really do. I love to look through the books and get ideas for home decor, all of it. And this book does not disappoint. I mean, it's absolutely stunning. Okay, you guys, those are the few items that I've recently purchased and that I've had for a little while from Amazon. All home items. Like I said, I'm extremely picky when it comes to homeware, so it does take me a little bit of time. I am trying to elevate my home over time, because sometimes I do invest in pieces like this pepper mill, and Mama's on a budget, so she can't be buying things every other day. So I will try to keep you guys updated on Amazon hauls, but like I said, I am extremely picky, and it takes me a little bit to collect the items. So as soon as I've collected some more, I'll do another video. But like I said, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, and until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.